Okay, this is Tuesday's homework. In the rainforest, some of the world's most interesting plants and animals live in a tropical rainforest. These forests are near the equator in a part of the world called the tropics. The climate there is always warm. Tropical rainforests usually get rainfall every day. A rainforest has 4 layers. The bottom layer is called the forest floor. It is quite dark. Very little sunlight filters through the tall trees. The forest floor is also very damp. Water drips off the plants after the rain, and even the air is wet. Nothing ever really dries out in the first layer. The second layer is the understory. Many kinds of animals live in the smaller trees that grow in this layer. The third layer is the canopy. Even more animals live here. At this level, the tops of the trees, the leaves and branches of different trees link together. The canopy is like a roof. The fourth and top layer in the forest is the emergent layer. It includes the tops of the tallest trees. Some are more than 200 feet, 60 meters tall. These trees get the most sunlight and rain. Many plants grow only in the rainforest. The plants have developed ways to live there. Micro-heterotrophs are one kind of plant that lives on the forest floor. Not much sunlight reaches them. Most plants must have sunlight to make their own food. Micro-heterotrophs get food another way. Their roots draw food from the fungi that decompose dead leaves and flowers. Many rainforest flowers are high in the trees. In most rainforests, the trees flower at different times. Some flowers in the rainforest only bloom once every 5 years. So this one, read and listen to it again. Circle 5 nouns. A noun is a person, like Miss Forte, a place, like Jefferson, or a thing, like the pencil or your iPad. Second page is math facts. Ignore 6 minutes. You have to do all the math facts. This is why it's important that we're practicing every single day. Main idea. So just like yesterday, we'll go set by set. Did you know that the idea for Velcro came from nature? One day in Switzerland, a man named George de Mestral decided to take his dog for a walk. When he got back to his house, he saw that there were many small burrs clinging to his dog's fur. He examined under a microscope how the burrs were sticking and ended up using what he saw to invent Velcro. So your one sentence main idea goes here. Remember, main idea is what it's mainly about. Next one. The Atacama Desert is the driest place on Earth. It is located on a plateau in northern Chile. It almost never rains in the Atacama Desert. In fact, there are some areas of the desert where rainfall has never been recorded. The average yearly rainfall in the Atacama is just 1 millimeter. Main idea goes here in one sentence. Another task card. Animals that live deep in the cave are called Troglobites. Troglobites never leave the cave. They live in total darkness for their entire lives. Some Troglobites do not even have eyes. Some Troglobites include spiders, flatworms, cavefish, and blind salamanders. Your one sentence main idea goes there. And our last task card. The smallest monkey in the world is the pygmy marmoset. A pygmy marmoset is only about 5 inches, 13 centimeters tall, and weighs just 4 ounces. Pygmy marmosets live in the Amazon rainforest in Southern America. Again, one sentence main idea. And that wraps up homework for today.